Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're over here today going to show you the progress that's been done on all these cars right here. Of course, you've seen some of them if you've already subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't and want to get updates on what's been done over here, hit the notification bell at the top. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But I'm going to do a little walk around, run down and show you some of the new parts that's already been put on this car and what's, of course, going to be going on it as well. So let's go dive right in. Okay, if you've seen this right here, this was the coupe car that had the rust all over it. Now, looking down here, you can automatically tell it's had a firewall put in it. The aprons, the front and rear aprons, both replaced. And when you're cutting one apart, making it a fastback, this is usually where you're going to cut it at. Right up here, and try to level it down with the coupe quarters. This one was a race car, so it had the subframe connectors in it. But it'll probably have a full floor pan going in it by the few more hours, I'd say, probably after 11. But the full rear trunk pan section. This car had good frame rails, so there was no need to mess with any of that. But there's that car. Of course, you've already seen that car that was sitting over here. And here's this blue car right here that we videoed last time. Not a whole lot's been done to it, of course. I did say the rear end will be coming out. It's out. All the floor pan on the inside is welded. And going up under here, the shock tires has been cut down and narrowed down a little bit at the bottom. It'll have a tubular front cross member go in it. New firewall, new aprons as well on this car, and a new radiator support for that car. So walk around. Of course, we got to do this right here to the other red car. 68 quarters here for that one. Got the inner and outer wheelhouse, some front fenders, just a few odds and ends. Of course, some 65/6 fenders, some doors, some, I believe those are some Scott Drake doors, and some of the Dynacorn pieces here. And of course, back to this one. A few of y'all have already seen this one on the channel. Of course, running, driving the car right now. It's got the car wheels off the blue car on there just to move it around. And another 67, 68 fastback top. But that's pretty much everything that's been done over here right now. This is the main objective, I guess, is getting this right here into a full structure of a fastback. But you can kind of see everything that goes into doing one of these cars is basically completely cutting it all the way down. If there's any issues with any metal at all, cut it out. And this one right here, this one's about the most solid car you'll find. This one don't need anything, any metal repair back there. Everything's pretty solid on this one. Really, really nice shape. Wish the red one was as nice as this one. But I've had to buy everything new for it too. And of course, another top. Okay, but that's gonna be it. Want to try to get a video up because I haven't been doing many videos here lately. But don't forget to hit the subscribe. If you have any questions about anything you see in the video, make sure to leave it in the comment section. And also hit the notification bell and you'll be the first to get the next video. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.